Okay, both nuts are on completely. Both washers are garbage. Beer is fresh. This is the most important tool that you possibly could have when it comes to working on any mower. If you don't have your beer, you're wasting your time. Okay, now down to here. As you can see, we've got the brand new cable flopping around. And it needs to be attached to the carburetor. So I'm going to try to balance my beer without spilling it, but you know how that goes. It's probably going to spill everywhere. And then we'll loop this around. Put this little black cap thingy back on the hose, if it'll go. And then have to get this through here. Not easy to do one-handed. All right, well, I'm going to set the camera down. You're going to use your imagination. All right. Ta-da! It was magic. So, as you can see, it fits in like that, and then still focus. There we go. Okay, so this part here still needs to go into that little hole right there. And should probably be done before you waste your time jamming it in that thing. So let's see if I can do it while looking through the camera. I can't even tell where I'm at. There we go. Come on, trusty beer hand. Don't fail me now. Alright. It's in there. Now, get this little bracket spun around again. Alright, well. Son of a whore. Alright. There we go. Tighten that on there. Let's get it finger tight or something. Ah, and look, I got it upside down. Okay. See this little tab right here, right at the top? That goes on the back side, right down into that little notch right there. So I had it upside down. So let's back this off a little bit. Spin it. Okay, yeah, see there's no notch on that on the top. And then line it up and tighten it down. Okay, now it's finger tight, so, and it's in the groove. That's the most important thing. Grab your 8mm socket, pop off the tin. There we go. Get that baby on there. Make sure not to drop it down inside of something where you can't get to it. Okay. Ooh, oh yeah. I don't need the extension for this. Okay. Get the 8mm socket. Make sure you got it on the tighten setting. And it's probably still kind of loose. people knock Harbor Freight tools, but really not that bad. I mean, maybe if I depended on this ratchet for making a living, I might go with something nicer, but man, I beat the hell out of this thing. It just keeps on working. I think I paid like $7 or $8 for the whole thing with a ton of metric and imperial sizes, and it just keeps right on working. So I'm done. Project finished. Time to fire her up. Lost the key on this thing years ago. So let's get the tools back on. Oh yeah, we're gonna want to zip tie that piece. Found me a little black zip tie while you guys were in La La Land. And that goes over on this side. Doesn't it? Hell, I don't even remember. It keeps it off of all that. Out of the way. Yeah, see how far off the side it hangs? That's going to grab on all kinds of crap. So, can we push it up there any? Yeah, so you just kind of pull it to the back so it's not just sticking way on out there like that. It naturally wants to spring right back. So I think that's why you come over here and you pull them both pretty tight. And then you zip tie them.